So it's beautiful sunny autumn day out here in Bulgaria, and I'm going to check out one very interesting little town called Svoge, which is known for its treasure hunting and beautiful girls. So let's go check it out. So we made it to the train station so far, and it should take us like 40 minutes. So sit back and relax. Okay, so I'm slowly making my way up somewhere where I can fly with my drone safely. But as you can see, normal roads disappeared. So I'm hoping not to get eaten by dogs or something like that. But so far so good. Svoge looks very interesting. Now before I'm gonna fly the drone, I thought a little historic lesson might be useful. So this valley you see behind me, there's Svoge actually. That's the biggest kind of town in this municipality. Was since like way back before Aristotle and old Greece, inhabited by some, well, let's say Bulgarian tribes, but some of them were known as Thracians. Obviously in this valley and in the river you can find leftovers of their civilization like coins and some sort of other objects. It's kind of the biggest valley that divides the Balkan Peninsula, the old Balkan mountain range, into two, and for various reasons it was very popular. One of the reasons was that when some Greek soldiers came or some other people into this town or village or however you want to call it, they found local girls so beautiful that they had to stay, you know. And let's enjoy the panorama now before it gets too windy.